Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I got me a dehydrator and I'm so excited about it. I got these peppers I wanted to dehydrate, so I cut them up in little pieces. I had some friends give me a bunch of peppers. I had a few, but not very many that I grew. So they was very nice and gave me some peppers. I cut them up in like little strips and lay on a single layer on the dehydrator. All different colors. There was red, orange, yellow, green, orange. I think I already said that, but that is so pretty. There's one tray, the second tray, and the third tray. I forgot to show you the fourth tray, but okay, I got the dehydrator turned on. Loaded with my peppers. We're gonna see how it turns out. I'll bring you back when they get done. Okay, these have been dehydrating for 5 hours. I'm gonna check them. They look crispy. Yep. Got them break. That's awesome. First time I've ever used a dehydrator. Here's my peppers. I'm so excited about them. I've got them in this jar. I'm so excited they turned out. I really liked my dehydrator. Thanks to all the other YouTubers out there that does dehydrating on their channel. Maniac Grammy's Homestead, Paige's Family Homestead. Thanks everyone for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.